I'm Said, and in this video I'm going to compare Angular framework with no framework type of programming with just JavaScript, and I will compare these two kind of coding. For example, I want to write a HTML and JavaScript program to take two numbers from us and add them together and show them on the page for us. At the beginning, uh, I will press an exclamation mark and press tab to make an HTML template for us. At the beginning, I should put an input in here, and I want to type to be a number, and I because I need to point to it in the JavaScript, I have to give it an ID to it. For example, ID1 or whether right val1, which is a value 1, and I want to invoke a function on key up press, and I want this func to be invoked. Okay, and I want a default value of 0 for it. Because I need two input fields, I will duplicate this input, but I will change this ID into value 2, and I want the result to be shown in here, so I put a p tag in here, and I will give it an ID equal to res. Okay, and now I need JavaScript, so I will put a script in here, and in this script I should write a function for that function, which was func or func, and okay, in this function I need to invoke a variable value 1 equal to parse int document dot get element by id, and the id is val1, which is this one. Okay, and I need its value to be invoked. Okay, and I need to duplicate this line, but I have to change this val2 to point to this input field. Okay, and I want to add these two numbers, value 1 and value 2, and put them into these this p tag. So I will write document dot get elements by id, and the id is res, which stands for result dot inner html equal to Now I have to write these two values and then add them together, so this shows it shows in here. Okay, value 1 plus a plus sign and plus value. Okay, I forgot to change this into value 2. Okay, so I have to write value 2. Okay, plus an equal sign, and this is equal to, you know, value 1 plus value 2. That's it. And I should test it right now. So I will write 1 in here and 4, for example, in here, and you can see that it will add these two numbers to each other and write the result in here. And this one is this value which is here, and this one is this value which is here. Okay, so you can see that I write this program by just JavaScript and HTML, and at the following I will write this program just by pure Angular. Let's make another HTML file in here, 2.html. Okay, I need it in here, and I want this file to be shown as preview. You can see there's nothing in here, and I make a HTML template in here, and I need, you know, an Angular framework in here, so I will put an Angular framework here. Okay, let's put it in here, Angular framework, and here I need to write ng app and ng init equal to val1 equal to 0 and val2 also equal to 0. And I need two inputs, input which is a number and ng model, and dash here equal to val1. Okay, and I need to copy and paste this line and make it val2, and I need a p tag equal to, okay, val1 plus a plus sign and val2 plus equal sign plus val1 plus Well, 2. Okay, let's see what type I had. Val 1 plus sign, val 2 plus equal sign plus. Oh, I should copy this and I should put it in the body part, not at the end of head part. Okay, now it is done. And you can see if I change these numbers and the result, which is addition of these two numbers, will come here. And this 2 comes from this input, which is val 1, and this number comes from this input, which is 4, and it is val 2. You can see that using Angular is really easier than just using the pure HTML and JavaScript, and uh, it has many advantages over this. I hope you like this video, guys, and I really appreciate if you press the like button and subscription. See you in the next video.